Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Luminous Nova. First, carefully unpack all components from the box, ensuring you have the main unit, power adapter, and any included cables. Place the Nova unit on a stable, flat surface, allowing for adequate ventilation around all sides. Before connecting power, verify that the power requirements of the device match your local electrical supply to prevent any damage. Next, let's connect the hardware. Plug the power adapter into the Luminous Nova unit first, then into a wall outlet. Now, connect any required data cables, like a USB-C or Ethernet cable, from the Nova to your computer or network hub. Make sure all connections are firm and fully seated to ensure stable operation. Remember to use only the provided or recommended cables for the best experience. Now, let's move to the software configuration. Begin by downloading the official Luminous Nova software directly from the manufacturer's website. Install the application by following the straightforward on-screen prompts. Once installed, launch the software and complete the initial setup wizard, which guides you through essential configurations. Finally, adjust your preferred settings, including network preferences or specific device modes, to personalize your experience. Finally, it's time to test and optimize your Luminous Nova. Conduct a quick functionality test to confirm all features are operating as expected. Within the software, check for and install any available firmware updates to ensure you have the latest enhancements and bug fixes. Adjust settings for optimal performance, tailoring them to your specific usage scenario. For advanced features or troubleshooting, consult the comprehensive user manual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.